Good morning, everyone. It's a Monday morning. I've got the week off this week. Today, me and my parents are going to have a nice little trip to Derbyshire. I think we're going to go to Ashbourne. Yesterday, I had a good day of tiling, and my parents cleared out a lot of the stuff in the garden. Lots of big shrubs, so that's nice. It's on its way to be cleared out because there needs to be a lot more space. It was very overgrown. So today I'm probably going to look in some little shops, see if I can find anything inspirational for the house, any ideas, things like that. So I'm just going to get ready and we'll be off soon. Also, I ordered my radiators yesterday from Screwfix, and I checked this morning. For some reason, I felt like I needed to check. I didn't get any confirmation email, and I then went back onto the web page that I ordered them from, and it obviously had like reset back to the home page, and I can't find my order anywhere, which is really annoying. So I'm not sure whether it's not, I don't know, I think it's not gone through. So later I'm going to check my card statement and see if it's actually gone out, and then I'll have to just reorder them again, which is just frustrating because it took me ages to like find exactly the right ones. And then if you don't order them immediately on Screwfix, the page just like times out really quick. You can't save things in your basket or anything. So that's frustrating this morning, but it's fine. I'll just reorder them tomorrow. Hopefully, I was going to get them delivered on Wednesday, so hopefully that day is still available. If not, I'll just have to shift some things around and go to the house all day. Thursday, maybe? I don't know. I have to be there all day, you see. I can't plan much in because the delivery is till 6:30 in the evening, and you don't have any idea what time like that would be. So we shall see. I shall check later, and maybe I'll get 2 deliveries. Hope not. Yeah, I'll check later. So it's the next day and I thought I'd show you the couple of bits that I got from the charity shops in Ashbourne. We had such a lovely day. It was a little bit windy, but it was a lovely day, beautiful scenery. We went to Tissington first just for a little walk around the village, then to the cafe, and then we went on to Ashbourne, walked around some of the shops and went for lunch and did then another walk up to the church and back. So the couple of things that I got from the charity shop, the first thing is this little dish. It's a Victorian dish, I think. I'm not sure if it's made for like cooking because it's got this kind of pastry edge. It's got a fish in the middle as well, and this like Japanese garden blue design on like a minty green. My mum actually saw this in the charity shop and she showed me. I'd missed it, my eyes had completely gone past it. It was £9, which I think is probably quite expensive for something in a charity shop, but it's really nice and chunky and thick, and I'm going to put soap in it and put it in the bathroom when I've finished the bathroom, so I think that will look really nice on the windowsill. So if you've seen any of my previous videos about like charity shop finds, you'll know that I love charity shops and I'm always after artwork, things to put on the wall, photos, frames, anything like that. So my second item is this. It's like, I guess like it's a drawing, but it's a print from, it says on the back, it says Punch 1934, which I'm guessing is the Punch magazine. So there's 3 men, 1 woman sitting at a card table. I really like the pop of red and the green. I thought that was really nice. The frame isn't too bad, but it has got a few nicks down this side, which I'm just going to be able to colour in. So I'll do that. I'll probably just keep it in this frame that it's come in. So the mount's really nice as well, with this little line around it. So you can see it there. I know the reflections on it. So yeah, that was £4, which I thought was quite good, and it was quite high up on the back wall behind the till. There was loads of artwork on that wall, and I always remember to look for artwork. I hope you like those couple of bits. They'll probably be in my house at some point in the future. I did some more tiling today in the bathroom, and I finished the back wall of where the shower will be. I'm going to move on now to the side where the shower will be fitted, but we've not had the pipes through the wall yet. So I will work on that tomorrow, and then I'll be getting on with grouting. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.